Good evening, traders. This is Scott Gillum with ShadowTrader SquawkBox for the ShadowTrader short video. Today I want to look at Apple Computer. Apple has been down, and down big time. And you can see from this market low that we had for many of the tech companies back in October of last year to the zenith that Apple got to, at least in December, we've got a big move. We've got a move from 165 up here to 200. And it's pulled back at least 61% of that move, now 78.6, possibly driving to the 165 level. I have no shares left of Apple in my portfolio, but would like to buy some. But I don't want to spend the money right now if Apple wants to continue to fall to the downside. So the way to do this, sell credit at this very interesting market low, Apple low, here that came in October at the 165 level. So sell credit at 165, cap the risk off just below that at 162.50. So here's the trade setup for you. Go out to March 15. Sell the 165 for around 94 bucks. And then buy to cap off the risk the 162.50. So that means that leaves you about $38 of credit in your pocket. For round numbers, let's say it's 40. That leaves me with $210 of real risk. And if I take a look at what $210 of real risk is on $40, so I get $40 in pocket, my real risk is $210. This gives me a return on risk of approximately 19% in the next 10 days. So what happens? How do I manage this trade? Let this trade go to expiration. If it stays above the 165 and a penny, I keep all of that money and I don't have shares. If it falls into the 165 level or below, I will take on 100 shares of Apple, $165 cost per share, $16,500, and I will then look to get rid of that 162.50 long put for some value. It should have more value than I put it on originally. Manage this trade going forward with either a covered call, a collar trade, but acquisition of Apple at 165 looks like a great setup trade, and the probabilities on this trade making any sort of profit is upwards of 76% at the current price level. So there you have it, folks. Apple, bull put, selling credit, 165, short put, capping that off with a 162.50 long put for potential acquisition of shares. Hi there, I'm Scott Gillum from the ShadowTrader SquawkBox, and I want to thank you for watching this video. If you like this content, make sure you hit the like and subscribe buttons, and if you'd like to trade with me live every day in real time, check out ShadowTrader SquawkBox at shadowtrader.net/squawk or at the link in the description below. Good trading to you all, and I'll see you in the room.